Hey everybody, you know who I am. This is Bishop Brown. This is James I Feel God Brown. And the other day on my cell phone and with my laptop, my computer, my desktop, I recorded something using Descript. Now you can see Descript behind me here. And they have a feature. And that feature is called eye contact. And I filmed this for another training that I was doing, but I wanted you to have a chance to see it side by side so you can see how my eyes are much more focused on the right hand side of the video than on the left. The left, the little itty bitty skinny, is the cell phone. On the right is the full size from Descript. And it looks like that. Now my shirt, it looks a different color, but I promise you it's done at the same time. And that's why I included the audio from both as I did this 7-8 minute video. So I wanted you to see this. I wanted you to see how well my eyes stay focused. After we start, I'm going to turn off the audio from the cell phone. So all you'll see here is the audio that I did with my standard microphone layout. So I hope you really take this in. Descript, Descript. I'm putting a link on the video so you can just go, and it's my affiliate link. Yes, it is. So I will get my, but I'm doing this because I use it, not because somebody told me to use it, but because I use it, and I hope you will too. God bless you. Talk to you again in a few minutes. Bye-bye. Welcome. Because you watch my videos, I already know a few things about you. The first is you have success on your mind and in your heart. Most folks will spend a huge amount of time watching the latest online fad or funny video, but not you. Your success is important enough to get you to watch me and learn. That is absolutely awesome. We also know that you are not afraid to try new and different things in order to get there. And where's there? You know where there is. As a result, you stand at the precipice of technology. You might not know a lot about how to use AI, but you want to. Finally, you have a burning deep inside, a message you want to get out, or better yet, a mandate you've been drawn to all your life. You come armed with that message to touch hearts, to inspire action, equipped for that mandate since childhood. And in that, you possess the power to shift paradigm. Yes. And to inspire action. Yes, you have the it inside of you. It's in there. How do I know? Because I recognize. I see those same traits in me. I see those same traits in so many of the successful people I know and study. So don't let the crowd drag you down. Dare to be different. Dare to be great. Over the last few months, I've been so busy editing videos on AI, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing till the gray matter is just bubbling over everywhere. But it came to me that while I'm getting those training videos and classes together, I can share with you the tools that I'm using to create as well as to generate income right now. Some folks call it eating my own dog food. So on today, I'll start showing you some of the neatest AI that I use almost daily. Yes, of course, I use ChatGPT, but I combine it with other tools to produce the content that promotes the products that we create. Today, we unlock the potential for Descript's eye contact. The eye contact feature, along with ChatGPT and Descript, is a video editing tool that makes my life so easy. In the old days, you know, last year, we suffered through the video mess-up circus. We would record a video, make a mistake, re-record this video, try to match the first take with the second, get frustrated, and do it all again. Yeah, that was the pits. But it got worse. So then we'd try to read from a script. The trouble was the video looked like we were reading it from a script. Yuck. So then we would try teleprompter to get more interaction with the audience through the camera. But that took developing a whole nother skill, a different skill, if we still didn't have a finished video. That's when I found Descript, Descript. Descript is a video editing powerhouse tool. Yes, it does edit videos. It also transcribes those videos. But this is the first zinger. It's a tool that does more than enhance video. It lets you edit the video by editing the transcript, like a word processing document. That's right. You change the transcript and it clones your voice and changes the video. No more video mess up circus. Like I said, Descript is a tool that does more than enhance videos. It transforms the way we connect with our audience. So let's dive into a brand new feature Descript just released. It's called eye contact. Envision this. I want you to just put it in your mind. You're speaking to not just one, but thousands, potentially even more. You can do that online. Their eyes are locked on yours, feeling every word, every emotion, as if you're speaking directly to them and them alone. This is the essence of eye contact. The old saying goes that the eyes are the windows to the soul. Eye contact is not merely technology. It's your pathway to genuine connections with your audience, fostering a level of trust and intimacy that turns viewers into followers, followers into advocates, and advocates to income. So what is eye contact? It's an AI technology that creates the illusion that even when you look away from the camera, like to read a script or maybe click on your screen, your eyes still look like they're looking directly into the camera. Eye contact doesn't just adjust where you look, it enhances the sincerity and impact of your delivery. Now, I have a special surprise for you. Yeah, I know why. I've been using eye contact through this whole presentation so far. When my eyes have been everywhere. I've looked at the screen over on the left. I've looked at the screen on the right, but it allowed me to keep doing that. Now, while I recorded the part of the video you already watched, I also recorded me from my phone. While I did both at the same time. As you can see in the video you were watching, Descript also replaced my office background as well. And it kept my eyes focused on the camera, even while I was reading and working on the screen. That's eye contact. That's how it works. Now, in the next video, I'm going to let you see me use ChatGPT to create a script that we'll use to market a product. We're going to use Descript to edit that script and after we filmed it and get it ready for YouTube and Instagram. I've included a link for Descript that'll get you a free trial. And we're going to use that along with ChatGPT, and I'm going to give you the link for that. And I want you to go and get ready so when we do that next video, you're all set and you're ready to follow me, okay? Let's create a legacy with our content. See you next time. Okay, there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I know it's kind of dry, but I wanted you to see how well Descript will go and do eye contact for you. So whether you're reading a script or not, the fact is that your eyes keep engaging the people who are watching your videos. That's part of the whole idea. The other thing I want you to know is this Descript is a very multifunctional tool. Not only does it do eye contact, but it allows you to edit your video just like you would a word processing document. That's a game changer. So you can go up in your in your Descript transcript, and it transcribes all your videos for you. So if you need a transcript, you want to send it over to 11 Labs and get some work done as far as voiceover, you can do it. It does all of that automatically. If you're like me and a lot of times you feel like you have a face for radio, yeah, that too. It takes care of all of that. It also gives you the ability to do audio effects. It has studio sound. So rather than it sounding like you're in your office echoing like it should right now, you get that crisp studio sound to your video. Try Descript. You can try it for free. Go over there and look at it. The link is right here. Should be under me or over me or around me. Go check it out. All right. Talk to you again real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.